Today, I will show you the easiest way to unlink and remove your Microsoft account from Windows 11 in just one simple step. Don't worry, your documents and photos will stay on your computer. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. On the left sidebar, click on Accounts, and then select your info. Under Account Settings, you will see an option that says Sign in with a local account instead. This is the magic button. Click on it. Windows will ask if you're sure. Click Next. For security, enter your current Microsoft account PIN or password. Now, simply choose a username for your PC. If you don't want a password, just leave the password boxes empty. Click Next, and finally, click Sign Out and Finish. Your PC will restart and log you back in automatically.